In this video, we'll discuss adding assets to your policy collection. First, click the Add Asset button to begin creating your background. Asset name on-chain is used as the identifier for your asset on the blockchain. This gets converted to hex and prepended with the 444 asset name label. Take careful consideration when creating this name because this cannot be changed once it is set. Display name is used in the metadata and is a UTF-8 friendly name for your asset. Description is used in the metadata and helps describe your asset. This field is optional. IPFS image, similar to policy creation, can either be a link or you can upload an image. Uploading will create an IPFS link and will display once uploaded. Price will be the cost for the user. Note the fee to the right. This is calculated based on the previous onboarding screen. Again, this fee will be charged whenever an asset is minted. Valid until date is used to lock the asset after a certain date. This means that when a user tries to mint your asset after the valid until date, the smart contract will not allow it. However, if you want to change this in the future, simply update it and the user can continue minting your asset until the new valid until date. Additional traits or metadata is any additional information you want to have included in your metadata. For example, hair color, eye color, or other traits about your asset that will display in third-party markets. Discounts allow you to create new price based on the amount of a particular collection, or collection plus asset that is owned by the user. To create a discount, click the Add Discount button. Next, add a policy ID or policy ID and asset name. Adding an asset name will use the starts with search. I'll explain this in a bit. Finally, add the amount in the left field and the new price in the right field. Amount is the amount the user needs to get the new price, and the new price is what they'll pay if they own the required amount. For example, let's say I want to sell my asset for 10 ADA and give my community a 50% discount if they own one NFT that starts with blue. First, I would add my policy ID. Next, without a space, append the asset name blue in the field. Blue will be a hex value with the possible asset name label if it's using SIP67. In this example, I'm not using SIP67, so my hex would be this. In the amount field, I'll add 1. And in the new price field, I'll add 5. You can add multiple amounts as well. So if owning one asset gets you 50, as you can see here, owning 2 assets could give you 3, and so on. We'll remove that. Once you're finished, click the Mint Asset button. This will prompt you to sign a transaction or let you know if anything needs to be changed. We'll remove that. In the next video, we'll discuss editing creator defaults. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need assistance or have questions, contact us in our Discord.